So from the giant Buddha, pumasok pa kayo kasi madami pang makikita inside. And dito sa part na to, wala na masyadong tao na pumupunta. So maganda siya i-explore. Nice. So more Buddhas here. Sobrang dami pang ibang Buddha na makikita here. Ito pa, ang dami na naming napuntahan. Paikot pa lang to sa Wat Po. Grabe, sulit din yung binayad for entrance eh. Around Wat Po, you would see these pagodas. There's a big one and there are small ones as well. These big ones are
the kings.
Tributes to the kings.
So first king, second king, third king.
Yeah. And then there are small ones like this one. These are for the common people. Now you know. Sobrang sulit yung 300 baht na ikot dito sa Wat Po.
Pero you have to be prepared na maglalakad kayo and ang init.
Oo.
Pag very soon kayo pupunta kasi we traveled May, at the end of May and beginning of June. Sobrang init niya.
Yeah. So, pero ikutin nyo talaga. Mag-rest kayo kung napagod na kayo, but make sure to go around this whole place kasi sulit siya. It's really nice. Pag-exit ng Wat Po, dami na dyang tuk-tuk and taxis waiting. Kayo papabudol. So outside Wat Po, there's a market. It's called Thai Tian Market. May mga cafe, may mga shops, tindahan ng anik-anik. So we stopped here para lang mag-book ng Grab. We're going to Platinum Fashion Mall. So pwede kayo mag-lunch dito after mag-Buddha. After mag-Wat. So nag-Grab na ulit kami. We're going to Platinum Mall. Sobrang init lang pero ang ganda talaga dun sa Wat Po. Sarap mag-ikot. Yung Grab namin ngayon, we got meron siyang Grab for ladies. So, yan. Saya lang.
Cost 192
baht.
Yes.
Now here at Divisoria. Platinum Mall. Para siyang 168. Well, sort of. So, it's the fashion. It's the fashion hub of Asia. We're here for the air conditioner. Nahanap kami ng kakainan.
We're going to eat here at Tumor. So, nasa food court kami ng Platinum Mall. Sa labas kasi, since it's lunch time na rin, it's already 1:25 here, Bangkok time. So, ang daming tao sa labas. So, parang na-stress kami maghanap pa ng table. So, we chose to eat here at Tumor kasi may sarili silang space and hindi ganun karami yung tao. Pero I hope the food is good. So, nag-order kami ng fried rice with shrimp and then papaya salad, tom yum na hindi spicy. Kasi before may libak sa spicy pero ngayon parang iniiwasan ko nagawa ng bird. Ayun. And then what's the other one? The
Fried chicken.
Fried chicken. The fried chicken wings. I think it's wings. So, I hope masarap siya.
Here are papaya salad. We also ordered the fried chicken and sauce. Thank you.
Hindi siya spicy, kaya hindi siya pula. Okay.
We ordered tom yum.
It's not spicy at all.
There's our fried rice. We're done eating here. Grabe sarap ng food. Ang sarap lang talaga. Wala pa kaming kinain yata dito na hindi masarap. So we ordered chicken, fried chicken, wings, tom yum, fried rice, and papaya salad. Plus isang Coke Zero, isang Thai milk tea, at saka isang bottled water. Yung bill namin is 797 baht. Mura pa din siya. Kasi kung sa atin natin to kakainin, sa Pilipinas natin to kakainin sa masarap na Thai restaurant, it would probably cost around 2,000 pesos na. So yun, really good meal. If you're at Platinum Mall, look for Tumor. Kain kayo dito. Hindi ka naman magkaka-tumor dito. Tutuwa ka naman. Kain kayo dito. Hanap kami ng dessert. But I think mag-e-end up din kami sa mango sticky rice. We'll try to eat something else though. So, meron silang mga pasalubong shops here in Platinum Mall. Mga kung ano-anong chips and dried fruits. Ayan.
They also have big packs.
May big packs. Sa mga naghahanap naman ng poison, meron din dito sa pharmacy. And they have all sorts of ointments. Like itong ointment na to, meron ako nito eh. Binili ko sa Shopee. 1 for 105. 6 for 540. Okay yan. I always use that. Kaya talaga siyang Divisoria. Yung aircon part ng DV. Look at the shirts here. It's for 100 baht. And ayan o. Cute. Yeah. Bumili kami ng shirt. And then meron din sila ng mga pants dito. And they have big size. So So, yung ganito na regular, 150 baht. Yung mas malaking size na, 250. Pero ang saya. Ang saya kasi may kasya sa amin. Let's go. Thank you. So, nag-stop muna kami dito sa Fresh Me.
Fresh me, yes.
Fresh Me. I got honey lemon tea. And Tony got
The fresh milk brown sugar.
fresh milk brown sugar.
Bestseller.
Pagod?
Pero masaya. Daming na shopping. Pero hindi para sa akin. Para sa family ko.
Alam niyo yung term na shop till you drop? Totoo pala yun. Sobrang dami naming napamili.
Yung iba, pinasok na lang namin dyan.
Nandyan lang siya sa loob yung iba. Pero kasi ang mura, yung mga shirts, where you can get shirts for 100 baht. May nabili kaming pullover pang beach, 150 baht lang. Tapos, actually mostly shirts yung mga nakuha namin. Mga Thailand shirt, Bangkok, ganun. Tapos, meron pa kaming napuntahan na para souvenir, mga keychain. Oh, nakabili na rin pala kami ng shot glass. Shot glass is for 20 baht lang. Ito yung pinakamura naming shot glass sa lahat ng napuntahan namin. Super saya.
Ano yung order ko?
Nakakapagod din pala mag-shopping. We're on our way back to the hotel. Nag-book na lang kami ng Grab. Medyo matagal siya. Medyo matagal siya dumating kasi traffic. And then, medyo matagal din yung biyahe namin kasi traffic. So, it's 170 baht.
72.
172 baht. From Platinum Mall to our hotel in Kaosan. Pagod. Grabe. Pero ang saya-saya. Sobrang mura ng mga bilihin sa Platinum Mall.
Super enjoy.
Oo. Asan, inisa-isa namin lahat ng floors ha. Tapos nilakad namin talaga halos lahat ng stalls. So, yun. Dahil namin nabili mga shirts, mga damit, sa mga mami. Tapos, I bought a bag. Pinakamahal na purchase namin is this bag actually for 400 baht. Tapos the rest mga 100, 150 lang. Napakasaya. Napakasaya dito sa Bangkok.
A few moments later.
So, naghahanap lang kami ng kakainan for dinner. Madaming kainan sa street ng hotel namin. There's a lot of bars and restaurants. Pati nga street food na parang karinderya meron din.
All you gotta do is come. You've gone further hill the land.
It's my lychee drink. So we're eating here at Popyang with live music. So baka mamaya voice over na lang to. This is how it looks like. So doing this voice over, this is beef boat noodles soup, and we got some garlic pepper shrimp, pineapple fried rice, and some chicken satay. So this is our dinner for tonight. Thank you. Mango sticky rice for 50 baht. Let's go back to the hotel na. Sa baba ng hotel namin, merong masarap place. So we're going there right now. Para masarap ang tulog. Sobrang busy ng labas ng hotel namin. Buhay na buhay. Ayan. Ewan, o yan o. Daming tao. Oo nga. Yan yung rate ng massage. What's up, travelers?
Good morning from Bangkok, Thailand, and we are here in Chato Shack Weekend Market. Di ko alam kung tama yung pagkaka-pronounce ko, pero it's Chato Shack ba yan? Ayun, so ito lang schedule namin today kasi nga pauwi na kami and it's a weekend, Saturday, sobrang traffic. Medyo mahaba yung biyahe namin and then nag-skyway na yung Grab na.
Nagdumaan na ng skyway.
Skyway, para mapabilis.
So, samahan nyo kami. Ikot-ikot kami dito. Dito kami siguro bibili ng mga ibang pangpasalubong. Let's go! Sabay-sabay tayong gumala!
Tara na!
And we're here at Chato Shack Weekend Market. Tara! Basil in the condiment. So yung menu nila, noodles. We got egg noodle and rice vermicelli noodle. The noodles for 55 baht each. Tapos yung drinks, nag-order ako ng mango smoothie, that's 50 baht. Si Tony nag-order ng Coke for 15 baht. Antay lang namin yung food namin. Oh, may chicharon din, oh. For 10 baht.
This 20.
Oo. For chicharon din.
Oo, pero
Ayan. This one
mas
is for
fatty.
20 baht.
may laman-laman.
Condiments nila garden. So, here's my vermicelli soup. Yung mga laman-laman niya, pork. And this is Tony's order. So, same lang yung soup. Yung noodles lang yung naiba. Egg noodles yung kanya, vermicelli yung akin. But both are for 55 baht each. Hey, kain lang kami. I think Chato Shack Weekend Market is a mix of our markets in the Philippines. Para siyang Divisoria, na parang Dapitan Market. So, yan. Iba-iba din yung mga tinda nila dito. So, may part siya na madaming kainan. Pero yung buong feels niya actually para siyang Dapitan. Dapitan Arcade. Sa Divisoria Mall. Ganun yung feeling niya. Kaya kami ng food ba dito. So, nag-stop muna kami dito sa bilihan ng fruit shake. Because they have mango sticky rice. So, we ordered mango sticky rice. Mango sticky rice is for 60 baht. Homemade. So, ayan na naman ang aming mango sticky rice. Napasawaan. Kasi sobrang sarap niya talaga, guys. 60 baht each. Ito siya sa shake stand na to. So, yung Thai tea, ito siya usually.
Lagyan ng milk.
Lagyan ng milk. So 190 grams is 80 baht.
Tapos ito, 100.
Ito may isa pa. 100 baht.
100 baht. Naglalakad tayo palabas ng hotel namin and pupunta tayo dun sa nearest Starbucks. So, let's keep walking. Charot. Nandito tayo sa isang Thai Mart malapit sa hotel namin and sobrang dami niyang mabibili na local brand. Like spices, itong mga dried pork. So, ikot tayo, ikot.
A few moments later.
Tingnan nyo naman guys, sobrang ganda ng airport ng Thailand, Pinas, baka naman.
Sana malamig din, malalaman natin.
Yes.
Pagpasok sa loob. Chicken, grilled chicken.
Parang pork. I don't know. Hindi naman alam.
Papaya salad. And rice. We're here na at the airport. Before checking in, kumain na muna kami dito kasi hindi pa rin open yung check-in counter namin. So, I had Hainanese chicken, si Tony, my grilled chicken set. Not bad. Tapos with isa kaming Thai tea, yung bill namin, 1,089 total. Medyo mas mahal na dito sa airport. And that concludes our very short trip here in Thailand. Anong favorite mo?
Actually, yung food. So, super sarap din talaga ng Thai food. So, paulit-ulit kaming mango sticky rice, and nakatukays or rice ata kami pad thai, and tom yum.
Yes, super sarap.
Papaya
no?
salad din. Ayun.
Oh yeah, it's the
Medyo nakarami.
first time we tried papaya salad and super sarap niya pala. So, gagawa na rin kami sa bahay.
To try namin.
Wait. Ano naman favorite mo sa mga activities natin?
The Wat Po Temple.
Ay,
so, super amazing nung reclining Buddha. And yung madaming Buddha dun sa temple. So, amazed na amazed ako talaga.
Oo, ikutin nyo pag nandun kayo.
Medyo malaki siya. Yun nga lang, medyo mainit. Kung pupunta kayo before December, so expect nyo na hot and humid. Pero may time naman na mas mainit pa rin sa Pilipinas.
Tapos ako favorite, gusto ko rin yung Wat Po. Tsaka yung food, grabe yung food nila. Parang wala kaming kinainan na hindi masarap. Lahat na lang masarap. Tapos hindi siya ganun ka-expensive din. So for sure, babalik kami dito sa Thailand.
Yes, soon yan.
Yes. So we hope you had fun watching this video just as we did making it kasi super kami nag-enjoy.
Yes. Don't forget to subscribe to our social media account, TikTok, Instagram, and Facebook. So, don't forget also to comment, like, and subscribe. Hanggang sa susunod na gala.
Paalam!
Tananan!